everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and in this video we're going to make this easy eggnog bundt cake that's fluffy and tastes just like everyone's favorite holiday drink. Made with a cake mix, this dessert comes together quickly to make the perfect treat for any holiday party. Before we get started, don't forget to check out my new holiday cookbook that is linked in the description and has over 31 of my favorite holiday treats. Now take a minute to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any delicious recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. For the eggnog cake, 1 yellow or vanilla cake mix, 2 beaten eggs, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1½ cups of eggnog, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of rum extract or vanilla extract, and 1/4 cup of sugar. For the frosting, you'll need 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1/4 cup of softened butter, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 3 to 4 tablespoons of eggnog, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Add 2 eggs, the cake mix, 1/4 teaspoon of rum extract, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and 1½ cups of eggnog to a mixing bowl and mix for 2 to 3 minutes until the batter is light and fluffy. Prepare the bundt pan by spraying it with non-stick cooking spray, then sprinkle with sugar and completely coat the pan. Add the eggnog cake batter to the bundt pan and bake at 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Remove the cake from the oven and allow it to cool in the pan on a cooling rack for about 20 minutes before removing the pan to cool completely. Once the cake is cool, transfer it to a serving plate. To make the eggnog frosting, beat together 4 ounces of softened cream cheese and 1/4 cup of softened butter. Gradually add 2 cups of powdered sugar, 3 to 4 tablespoons of eggnog, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Mix the frosting until it is nice and creamy. Add the frosting to a piping bag and pipe the frosting over the top of the cooled cake. I hope you love this eggnog bundt cake as much as I do. The full recipe will be in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Don't forget to check out my holiday cookbook and to subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time!